Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can create your own email account or Gmail. Please subscribe to our channel, also put likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, first of all, in order to create an account, you need to have the Gmail application installed on your phone. You can download it if you have an iPhone on the App Store, if you have an Android on Google Play. To do this, just open the store that is installed on your phone. Then in the search box, we type the word Gmail. Now we select it. After that, right here, you will have a download function. You click on it, or you may need to update. You will need to update your Gmail. After you do that, you can open it. And now, whether you already have an account, you want to create a new one, or you don't have an account yet. When you go into Gmail, you'll click on a circle like this in the top right corner. If you already have an account, this is where your image will be, so you can see if you're logged into your account. If not, then this circle will just be gray. You click on it anyway. And next, you choose Add Account. You choose Google. Continue. And now you can either sign into an existing account. To do this, you will need to write your email or phone number, and then its password. Or you can create a new account. Now you select for personal use. And further, you start by writing your name that you want to come up with for your account. Once you've entered your name, you click Next. And now you will need to maintain information about yourself. This is your date of birth, month, day, and year. And you will also need to choose your gender. Click Next. After that, Google will offer you several account names to choose from. These names are free at the moment and you will be able to choose them. There will be two. Or if you are not satisfied with the proposed names for the account, then you can click your own, create an address. And now you'll see a line like this where you can enter your name. Let's say if you've entered the name you want to use and you click Next, and you see that this field turns red. This means that this name is already taken by a user and you need to change something in it. But you can only change this part. The Gmail part doesn't change. In order to change it, you can add numbers, for example. After you find a username that you are comfortable with, you need to come up with a password. But do not forget that the password must consist of combinations of letters, numbers, and some numbers, as well as signs, symbols. You can find these symbols in the menu. Now you need to enter your phone number to receive a confirmation on it. After you enter your phone number, you will receive a confirmation on your phone number with SMS, where there will be a confirmation code. You will need to enter this code. And after that, you click Next, and immediately you will already have a new account. This is how you can create a new account or just create an email account in Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to write your comments and also put your likes, and see you soon.